deep breath in. Slowly blow it out. Close your eyes and imagine you are surrounded by trees on the forest path. The tall trees tower over you, and if you're still enough and sit up tall, you can feel as giant as a tree too. You walk along, hearing the crunch, crunch, crunch under your feet from the dirt and leaves. As you walk, you run your hand along the wildflowers you come to along the path. You can feel their petals and leaves against the palm of your hand. Coming up from the flowers, you notice a butterfly, and then another, and another. You see them race and flutter between the flowers and swirl around your head. There are so many, too many to count. You are being mindful.